Okay, we gave it about 30 seconds to a minute, and now the thermocouple has satisfied in the closed state. Our readings now are 15.6, still climbing a little bit. Fantastic read. We got strong thermocouple here in the closed test loop. Now, what we want to do is a dropout test. In order to do the dropout test, all you do is shut the gas back off and watch your voltage drop. The key here is to be quiet when it gets down around 5 millivolts, and we got to listen for the tick. There it is, 2.9. If you heard that tick, hopefully you did. We had that cut out. So this was a pretty strong thermocouple. It took about 2 minutes for that dropout to happen. Happened at 2.9 millivolts. What we want to look at is, 4 is our threshold. Anything below 4 and we're good to go. So we've got a strong valve here. We've got a strong thermocouple. If we're still having issues with this water heater, we got to look elsewhere. Make sure our screens are clean underneath, make sure the venting's right, and possibly many other things. But we know now the valve's good and this thermocouple's good.